Good morning, everybody, and it's a snowy Thursday out there. Yeah, I don't know how much snow we've got here in Loveland, and I bet you've got more up there, huh? Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, I just finished shoveling, or I was almost finished, and I heard on the radio, I guess they said someone robbed the bank here in Loveland, so they're looking for somebody about 6 foot, a 6 foot male, medium build, wearing an orange ski mask. So I was like, I'm going to get inside. This guy sounds kind of dangerous. So, anyways, today, so yesterday I sent out a email about, whoops, excuse me, someone's at the door. Oh, sir. Sure, 1 second. Oops. It's the police. They seem to want to talk to me about something, so I'll be right back. Okay, well, that was awkward. Little case of what they call mistaken identity. Anyways, won't be wearing that orange ski mask for a while. So where were we? Oh, okay. So yesterday I sent out, or I talked about a question for you to send in about if there's any unexpected consequences that have come from this pandemic. And the example I gave was, since being at home, we don't have our normal routine. A lot of times I don't even know what day it is. And it gets really confusing, especially since most of my videoing I do kind of not on the day I say it is, though today actually is that day, and there's a reason for that. But anyways, send that to me if like something's come up where it's like, ooh, I didn't expect that. And then let's get right into today's mapping activity. So I've sent out 2 documents, and let's go to those. So here we are, Estes Park Steam. And while I'm here, let me point out, so on the screen recording, when you hit it, sometimes the microphone, because I've had my STEAM students having problems with this, because we've been doing some videos, my microphone sometimes will just turn off, and so I always hold down the screen record button, so then this comes up, and so make sure it is on. So anyways, I was just throwing that out because I've had problems with it, and so have the STEAM students. So, okay, we go to Estes Park STEAM, go to 7th grade science, and here's the 2 documents for you today. And so the mapping instructions, which is there. So how do they tell where these earthquakes and volcanoes are, since we can't really see cracks in the crust? Well, it's just by mapping where these things typically occur. All right, and this sheet here is also in the red book if you've got that, and if it's easier, it's on page 86. So here's just a list of a bunch of earthquakes, and then here's a bunch of volcanoes, and it goes on and on. So you'll do the earthquakes in one color, the volcanoes in another, and then the second document is, so when you click on that one, then here it pulls up the map. And so, excuse me. So remember, so let's see, the longitude is always listed first. It's along the bottom here, and then latitude is listed there. So like with the first earthquake, it's 120 degrees west and then 40 degrees north. So I would find, okay, there's the 120 degree west longitudinal line, and I'll go up to 40 degrees north, and okay, so it's going to be about right there, and I'll make a little dot there and put an E by it if you want, or if you color code it, you probably don't even need to do that. Okay, so that's today's activity. So get that one question about something coming from the pandemic you didn't expect, and then the mapping activity. That'll be due tomorrow, and then that's going to be our week. So I hope everybody has a wonderful snowy day. See you tomorrow.